Disable Chrome Session Restore pop-up. Is there a way to permanently disable the Google Chrome Session Restore? See screenshot? It appears at almost every system start. Not every time, which makes it difficult to reproduce. Also, I could not notice any relation to whether there was a previous crash or not. Edit 1. Version in use: Google Chrome 68.0.3440.75.
Edit the file located at c:\users/username/appdata/local/google/chrome/user data/default. Right-click Preference File and click Edit. Ctrl+F to find the following values, and change the value to exit_type, none. Exited_cleanly a true. Save the file, and change the attribute to read-only so Chrome can't change it back.
Chrome has a special flag to disable Session Restore window. But be aware, options in Chrome ://flags are experimental and you may lose browser data or compromise your security or privacy. Follow these steps. Open Chrome. Type Chrome ://flags/#infinite session restore in address bar, CRTL+L. Click on the right drop-down menu and change the default value to disable. Then restart Chrome to apply that setting. So what does this do? That option says reduces the number of tabs being loaded simultaneously during Session Restore, to improve responsiveness of the foreground tab. After disabling and restating Chrome, it relaunches Chrome.exe with disable features equals infinite session restore option.
After @biswaprio's answer don't work anymore, the flag got removed. It is possible to start Chrome. Tried it with 86.0.4240 with a disable session crashed bubble parameter. For Linux, just add it after the command in terminal. For example, Chrome disable session crashed bubble. For Windows, you have to create a shortcut to chrome.exe, usually located in c:\program files, x86/google/chrome/application/ and add it to the target like described here.
See my answer on how I resolved this for the Chromium on a Raspberry Pi. This URL, basically.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.